years after former U.S. President Trump was assassinated during the campaign speech, some merchants followed the hot topics of the moment and printed the photo of him onto T-shirts, which became so popular all over the United States. Using DTF printing technology, flexible printing, no need to plant making, perfect for small and batch production. On average, one T-shirt can be customized in 1 minute, meeting the huge demand of users for customized T-shirts and related souvenirs to cater to the 2024 American election favor. Support whoever you want to vote. If you like this printing technology, welcome to leave your message below.